Bananas. In this video, we will be looking at the benefits of the amazing fruit. Banana is an amazing and very powerful fruit. Banana contains sugar, fructose, sucrose, and glucose as well as fiber. These properties are responsible for the feelings of satisfaction gained after consuming it. They are very cheap and affordable. Bananas have the benefit of being very tasty and easy to consume. This magnificent citrus fruit has a positive impact on the brain, and one study revealed that students who eat one banana every morning have better concentration throughout the day. Going by the results of a recent survey conducted amongst people who suffer from some form of depression, banana can be used as a medicine. Banana also contains the protein tryptophan, which has the credit for creating serotonin, which is known as the hormone of happiness and contentment. Therefore, next time when you are tormented with PMS syndrome, forget the pain pills and opt for this fantastic fruit. Bananas also have some fiber and a good helping of potassium, an essential vitamin in your diet. Bananas have a lot of sugar. For this reason, they are recommended as a post-workout snack. Banana helps in cases of anemia given to its iron properties responsible for the formation of hemoglobin in the blood and the building of red blood cells. This wonder fruit also helps in regulating blood pressure because it contains very little salt and a large amount of potassium. The average banana is a great food for putting on weight because it has about 100 calories. Banana also have some fiber and a good helping of potassium, an essential vitamin in your diet. Regular consumption of bananas may reduce the chances of developing a heart attack or stroke. Banana reduces symptoms of constipation without the use of laxatives as a result of the fiber contained in it. Whiten your teeth in minutes by rubbing your teeth with a banana peel for about 2 minutes at each wash. Manganese, magnesium, and potassium affect the whiteness of the teeth to a great extent. Banana milkshakes have the capacity to relieve headaches in seconds. Bananas are rich in vitamin B, which helps to calm the entire nervous system. If you have a stressful job, decide this fruit to be your daily snack. Stomachache can also be calmed with the addition of a tea's acacia honey into banana milkshakes. You will also complement your need for sugar. Bananas help to reduce or eliminate morning sickness completely if you choose this fruit as a snack. Reduce swelling after a bite of a mosquito or other insects. Rub the area of sting with the inner bark of banana and the itchiness will stop almost immediately. This magical fruit, because of its soft composition, is used as a dietary food against intestinal disorders. Pregnant women in Thailand regularly consume bananas as their babies would be born in a regulate temperature. Rub the acne with the inside of the back of a banana for a few minutes. Let it remain on the face for 15 to 20 minutes. It will be ideal to wash the face before going to bed. Repeat this daily until you see results. This wonder fruit is an energy stimulant. Various studies have shown that only 2 bananas a day are enough for 90 minutes workout. Bananas do not contain fat and are cholesterol-free along with being nutrient-dense, making them the perfect for lean people that would like to gain muscle mass and ultimately adding weight. Banana is one of the amazing and wonderful fruits contain protein, carbohydrate, phosphorus, vitamin A and iron. Consume this amazing food to stay healthy. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss new videos from us. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.